Welcome. If you want to turn off always on display in your Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, at the first we have to reach the settings. Next we have to find our lock screen settings, and then go for the always on display. As you can see here it is. So we can simply turn it off by tapping on the switcher. But another really cool feature here is to tap to show for the 10 seconds. So when we turn off our screen, as you can see, it doesn't appear on the screen, right? The always on display. But when we tap, for the next 10 seconds, we'll get the information about the hour, date, and the notification, and also the battery capacity. So if you want to turn it off permanently, you have to simply go right here and then turn off the switcher. And if you want to get for the tap, you can choose this option. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!